Uy, John, thank you for this opportunity. Kasi dito sa Franchise TV, ang dami ko nang natutunan. Plus, the fact na nakakausap mo yung mga bigwigs ng mga franchise industries, diba? Pero, parang nabibitin lang ako dahil though all my questions are answered, and syempre learning experience lahat siya, parang hindi ko ma-apply. So, ang question ko sa'yo ngayon, ano ba next step natin?
Okay. When we thought of the concept for the show, di ba may tagline tayo?
We take you through it every step of the way.
We take you through it every step of the way. Well, tonight we're revealing for the first time yung concept of what we're going to do in the next succeeding episodes. We're actually going to be running franchise businesses of our own.
As in, bibili tayo ng franchise?
Bibili tayo ng franchise, operate natin. We're gonna talk to the franchisor, the mall, the contractors, as in, magpapatayo tayo ng franchise businesses.
So, yung mga business na tayo, gano'n?
As franchisees.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ba nakakatakot yun? Pero exciting don't get me wrong.
Pero di ba, I mean, yung fear is alleviated somehow by the fact that franchise siya di ba?
So, kahit pa paano.
Tried and tested siya. So, I'm sure we're still gonna be making mistakes, but at least medyo lessened na siya. So,
business talaga!
Business talaga. So, that's what we're gonna do the next couple of weeks and months and seasons. We're going to be getting franchise businesses, whether it's food, retail, service. We're going to be running it in real time on Franchise TV.
So everything to from food
lahat.
To
as in, lahat.
Retail to... Uy, may pera dito.
Meron.
Okay.